Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, if we want to find all the zeros, I'm going to start with the graph. And so we want to graph x to the fourth minus 8x cubed plus 7x squared plus 42x plus 26. We can see that there's a 0 at -1, and it touches and turns around, which means it's multiplicity 2. We account for it twice. So we know that one of the zeros is -1. And I'm going to synthetically divide this out from the coefficients 1, -8, 7, 42, 26, and we should expect a remainder of 0. We'll drop down the 1 and multiply to get -1, add to get -9, multiply to get 9, add to get 16. Multiply to get -16, add to get 26. Multiply to get -26, add to get 0. So we confirm -1 is an answer, and it should be twice because it touched and turned around. So we take our remaining quotient row, spot for remainder, expecting a 0 again, drop down the 1, multiply to get -1, add to get -10, multiply to get 10, add to get 26, multiply to get -26, add to get 0. So we're left with x squared minus 10x plus 26. We can use the quadratic formula, opposite b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is 1, b is -10, and c is 26. So opposite b would be 10 plus or minus the square root of -10 squared, which is 100, minus 4 times 1 times 26 is 104. All over 2a, which is 2. And 100 minus 104 is -4. The square root of -4 is 2i. And so we can reduce these all by a factor of 2 since they're all even. It would be 5 plus or minus I over 1, which is then our last two solutions, 5 plus I and 5 minus I.